Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Phobia is an intense, irrelevant fear of a place, thing, situation, or object. The levels of the fear is so extreme that it hinders a person's ability to perform tasks, and person might avoid such situations or things which he have fear for. There are so many types of phobias which people possess. A most common type is claustrophobia. That is the extreme fear of small places such as small rooms or lift. Women tend to develop phobias twice as compared to men. There are so many different kinds of phobia like social phobia, agoraphobia, claustrophobia, aerophobia, thanatophobia, acrophobia, and specific phobias. Sounds weird, but could you believe that such phobias really exist? According to APA, the main three types of phobias include social phobia, agoraphobia, and specific phobia. Now in this video we will share some most common symptoms of phobias, which include nausea, shortness of breath, trembling, increased heart rate, sense of unreality, preoccupation with fear of object, and even in some cases the symptoms can be worse and person may experience a full-scale panic attack. Phobias have serious impact on a person's well-being, but many people around the world are suffering from these phobias. According to National Mental Health Institute, around about 10% of people in the US have specific phobias, 7.1% experience social phobias, and 0.9% have agoraphobia. Now in this video we will discuss with you the most common types of phobias. Algophobia, fear of pain. Number 2, acrophobia, fear of heights. Number 3, social phobia, fear of people or public situations such as speaking in front of crowd. Arachnophobia, fear of spiders. Atelophobia, fear of being imperfect. Autophobia, fear of being alone. Bibliophobia, fear of books. Botanophobia, fear of plants. Cacophobia, fear of ugliness. Cynophobia, fear of dogs. Claustrophobia, fear of small spaces. Dystrychophobia, fear of accidents. Dentophobia, fear of dentist. Illurophobia, fear of cats. Entomophobia, fear of insects. Gynophobia, fear of women. Androphobia, fear of men. Hemophobia, fear of blood. Hydrophobia, fear of water. Hypochondria, fear of illness. Iatrophobia, fear of doctors. Lilapsophobia, fear of tornadoes and hurricanes. Microphobia, fear of small things. Mesophobia, fear of dirt and germs. Nyctophobia, fear of dark. Necrophobia, fear of death. Phidophobia, fear of snakes. Pathophobia, fear of disease. Pyrophobia, fear of fire. Selenophobia, fear of moon. Thanatophobia, intense fear of death or dying. Trypanophobia, fear of needles or injection. Wiccaphobia, intense fear of witches and witchcraft. Xenophobia, fear of strangers and foreigners. In this video we have discussed a lot more types of phobias, and if you have noticed any of phobia in you, then go to your therapist. So this was our today's video. Hope you have liked this video, so don't forget to subscribe our channel.